Oh, gets lucky there. Inside edge and away it goes. Runs away. So Perry's away. He was just too short. First big shot. Guess who's hit it? And again, I like this one better. Oh, through the fielder.
Catch it!
Catch it is the call. Catch it, and yes.
The drink.
It was suggested by the physio that I do that.
That is hit like a bullet.
For the inner circle. Like
Well,
that.
that's over the top. But this time it is Gardner, and she took the right option.
All good.
Then hoiked away. Oh, runs away. We haven't seen a third in play for much of this innings at all. Is Carey. Big shout. And given. Out of here. As simple as that. Souvenir. Goes hard again. This time. Toe end, but just. Yeah, we're bowled. Oh, yeah! Another one, the leggy. Down the ground. No one back there. It's a good strike. Another boundary.
I thought you meant you saw a deer in the headlights.
High in the air, there's some work to be done. Cap on strike, though. 5-3. They got there, and they do know how the pitch plays, and if they can get a cameo going early. It's a glorious shot. Glorious.
Just like that.
Able to convert. She's converting now. Back-to-back boundaries as well, and Marizan Cap has got it.
Over the top and gone. There's so many ways. It should be out, and is out. Well played. Straight through the line. It's the way to start your innings here at North Sydney Oval.
During pre-season, so microdermabrasion never hurt anyone.
Oh. Strong down the ground. Goes hard. Again, not really timed. I think it just... And Nikirk has been hit for 6, first ball.
Yeah.
Runs away, no third man. Big gap there behind point.
Inside the circle.
Catch!
Catch! It's the bullet! Yes, taken! Runs away, played nicely. He gone for 8 runs.
Down!
Beautiful shots, so powerful.
Yeah!
Oh, this time, no doubt.
Yeah.
This time, through the gap and away. The required rate. It's important they start to. And is it taken? But no boundaries, that's the problem. Oh, clever, we like those. That's T20 cricket. Well bowled. Can't do much with that one.
Me!
Could be dangerous here. Could it be dangerous? Yes. Delivery.
Yes!
Big. Well, it works to the 6s. Maximums.
Yes!
Oh, see that hat-trick now. It's Gardner. Anyway, this is the final ball of the match. And the 6s close it out. They close it out. There were some nervy moments. There's no doubt about it.
And look, they're a team to watch, aren't they, the Sixers?